So to fix this one, we're gonna do number 2 on top.
Yeah.
And skin fade, high fade will be more nice with the style. Do you like to box the front or do you want to keep it natural?
Just leave it natural.
Leave it natural? Okay, too easy. He's done it for you?
No, my other friend.
I thought I was gonna shave his hair after. He got nice style actually. You asked for it or he just done it?
I asked for it, yeah.
Ah, you asked for
My hair
it.
was a bit long.
Was your first time to do the Buzzcut or?
Yeah.
Ah, yes. I think we'll suit you.
Yeah.
Suit you, yeah. Come on.
It's gonna go out anyway.
When you do any Buzzcut, actually, people like they thought it's easier to do it.
Yeah.
But the problem, like, you have to change the position of the clipper all the time. See? To move it with the hair and different direction, because sometimes you got a curl on the top, on the hair, like actually. So if you do it one way, you can't get all the hair.
Yeah.
You have to change the position. And the top actually, because you're gonna go short, so if you leave any hair, even one, like will be noticed straight away, yeah. So you have, when you do the Buzzcut, you have to do it clean, very nice. You take care about it, take time. You move the clipper again and again and again until you make sure you're 100%. See? Listen to the nose of the clipper. Like after how many times I move the clipper, still like cut the hair. So like even if I can't see it, but the clipper still tell me, like telling me there is some hair to cut. See? Different direction, right, left, right, everywhere. Do you hear the clipper noise now?
Sorry?
Did you hear the clipper noise now? There's nothing.
Nothing, yeah.
That's it. Let's see. Must be clean now. Any plans for Christmas?
Just seeing family. Going overseas.
Where are you gonna go?
To Ireland.
Ireland.
Yeah.
You got some family there?
Yeah, all my family is over there.
Ah, that's good.
Just my mom and stepdad, that's it.
It's good to spend time with the family.
Yeah.
How long you will stay there?
For 4 weeks.
4 weeks. Ooh.
Yeah, 3 holiday.
Good holiday, man. Did you ask your friend to do the fade or just like one number all over?
One number all over, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But he left like long hair. So
I know, yeah, because I tell you, like, it's all about the angles up there. So when are you gonna go?
just tonight.
12.
I
Oh.
believe that's 10, yeah.
That's nice fade.
Yeah.
That's nice fade. It's a Photoshop fade, mate. AI. Happy with it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Where's your hands off, mate? Thanks so much.